What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the ARES or however you pronounce it. We have the magnetic spark plug socket set. Now this looks so nice, you guys. Nice, organized, shiny. Right there, they got the sticker plated on right there, but it also got it engraved right here. So that is awesome. Looks good. Looking on the inside, it says it's magnetic. We are going to see. Let me just see something real quick. Yep. Definitely magnetic. All right, let's go ahead and test out a spark plug. In this review, as you know, I am doing like 50 reviews in one. Just kidding. It's like 3 reviews in one, but we are going to replace our NGK spark plugs. Well, one of them, it says we have a cylinder misfire. And we are going to test this out. 5/8. All right. So this one is the 5/8, and the magnet is very strong. Just to inform y'all on that. Like, even with me trying to pull it out, I do need to put some force to pull it out. Man, and this feels very good. Nice and heavy. All right. Let me go ahead and take the other one out. Oh yeah, and by the way, these are the 3/8 sockets, so it fits the 3/8 ratchet. All right. If you want to use your 1/2" ratchet, you will definitely need a reducer. Obviously, the magnet works, so let me get back into my other review. So that will be it with this review right here. So if y'all like this magnet, the link will definitely be in the description, and I will also put a link in the description of the 5-piece set. All right. Other than that, I like this. To me, this is better. It still looks like there's no, I don't think there's no rubber in it. I think it's just magnetic all the way. So this is awesome, you guys. Right there. Don't fall out. All right, you guys. That's it with this review. Like, comment, and subscribe.